Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. So we're coming out of the Grand Central Terminal and we're heading to Times Square. Yes, that building you would see there is the Chrysler building. During the 1930s, it's the tallest building in the world. But of course, you have taller buildings now. But you would find it here along Madison Avenue in the eastern part of Manhattan. So the Chrysler building started construction on January 21, 1929. That is 95 years ago. Yeah, that's long, man. Completed on May 27, 1930. And it's currently an office building. It is the tallest brick building in the world with a steel framework. So that's the description of the Chrysler building. Very recognizable landmark here in Manhattan. Berkeley College. So if you would walk here along Madison Avenue, you would see a mix of old and new buildings. And we will see that along the way. You have New York's #1 hot dog here is a bread. So it's renowned for fabulous taste and consistency with a famous snap because of their natural casing. It's an all-beef frankfurter. Yeah, so it's a hot dog that you would also find, or the official hot dog of in Madison Square Garden. So if you're going to watch the New York Knicks basketball or the New York Rangers hockey team, you would get that. That's the hot dog that is being sold there. So we walk all the way from here along Madison until we hit or cross 34th Street. So we'll make a right when we reach that corner. So we're currently at East 40th and we will walk all the way until the 34th. So when we hit 34th, we will make a right and then you will immediately see the Empire State along 34th Street and 5th Avenue. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here in New York City. Not so hot, not so warm. It's bright, not raining, so it's a good weather today. Next time that we'll be here will be in winter. We plan to come back here in December, so please watch out for that. It's nice to see New York City in winter, to get that feel of the American winter days. So I'll pause my video. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.